It will take us some time to animate this slide. I want to make it an handwritten font. So I want this slide to look like it is being written by someone. So I'm going to align it to middle, and I'll insert the picture of the hand. I'm going to reduce the size, then I'll add animation to the text. We are going to use fade animation. But we notice all the sentence are fading. So click on start with previous to start automatically, then effect option we choose by letter, then increase this to 100. Now it is being written one after the other. So this is exactly what we want. I'm going to change the duration to 15 seconds to make it faster. So the text is syncing with the video. It's moving as fast as the video to make it look real. I'm going to increase the line spacing, align it to center. I think this is better now. I'll change the color of the text to white to create contrast. Then it takes 15 seconds for the whole letter to be written to the end. So I'm going to count the number of letters here and the punctuations. So we have 85 characters. 85 characters. So that 85, I'm going to multiply it by 15 seconds, 0.15. So we have 12.75. That is the time it will take for the and also to reach the end, to reach the last character. That's the full stop. So I'm going to use custom paths for the and. So that's the animation we're going to use for the and. Custom paths. Let's increase the size to make it easy, because we are going to draw a line on the text just as if we are writing on it. I'm going to trace the text. Custom path. Now we trace from the hello just as if we are writing over it. So we trace it exactly the way it will be written if we were to write it on a real paper. So make sure you hold down your left mouse button while writing this. Hold it down and never release it until you reach the end of the text. You're going to see a faint line while doing this. So that's the part where the and will write on. You might be wondering why is this fast. I just speed up the video, so when you are doing it you have to do it carefully. Now release the mouse and to start writing. But you notice that it doesn't start from the H. So it is showing where the hand is starting from. We are going to have to adjust the hand so it can start from H. So but we'll put this time first. 12:75. 12 seconds and 75 milliseconds. 12.75 seconds. Make this with previous. but it's not writing on the text. So we are going to drag this down a bit to make sure the tip of the pen is touching the H. When you click on the animation, you're going to show the hands where it's going to start from and when it's going to stop from. Where it's going to stop. So let's preview it now. Now there's a problem here. It started from H, but the text started writing from I am, though it ended at the same time. So I'm going to fix this later. I'm going to fix this at the end of the video. But go to effect option, bring this down to 0, the smooth from start and smooth end, bring it to 0 and click OK. So this is, it is writing on it, exactly on it. And the reason why it is slow at some point is because of the line in between, the spaces in between the lines. There's no how we can calculate that, so we just have to manage it this way. Another way to solve this is to write the text one by one. So animate the hello on its own, animate I am Damola on its own, animate I created this playlist on its own. But that's going to take a lot of time. So it's better we just manage it this way. So let's just decrease the duration to 15. I think this is just perfect. This is better. It's almost perfect. So we want to add an exit animation. So we'll add animation, fly, float out. So that's how it's going to disappear after you have written up to the end. So you don't just want it to stay there after it writing the whole text. So you want it to leave the screen. So use the fly out animation. So the exit animation, that's where it's going to start from. After everything has stopped, that's why it's at the end there. Now always click this after, so it will advance to the next slide automatically. So the voice wants it to loop, wants it to play across the slide, want the audio to play across the slide. Now I want to arrange these animations. So the delay is when you want the animations to start. So you want the video to start first. You want this to start. Let's make this 15. Should be it. Let's make it 16. It's okay this way. So this is almost perfect. Now we want to arrange the animation. We want to arrange them according to how we want them to start. We want the rectangle to show first, the video, then rectangles to show first. Then we want the text and the hand to start at the same time. I'm going to delete this, but make this start with previous. Delete the other one. Text will start after the rectangle. Make that 25. So it will start after the rectangle. 25 seconds. This has changed. Let's make this 15 seconds. Let's make this 16. So this is how you just tweak the setting until you get what you want. So this is perfect. So we can move to the next slide.